This video is going to show you how to have an interactive notebook through Google Slides, and then when students have their own copy of the interactive notebook, you can make changes to the master copy of the notebook and it will automatically update on the student side. So I'm going to start with this is a digital reading response notebook that I got from Miss Brown in 2nd grade at Marshall, and I'm going to name it master copy. So this is the master copy of the reading response notebook. So the first thing I need to do here is I'm going to make a copy of this. So I'm going to go to File, make a copy of the entire presentation. Except this one I'm going to call, instead of master copy, I'm going to call student copy. So I have a master copy and a student copy. Okay, and I'm going to keep it in my drive. Now you can choose whatever folder you want, but for now I'm just going to keep it in my drive and click OK. And it's going to open into the student copy. Okay, so in the student copy, I'm going to now delete all the pages in my notebook. Okay, and I selected them by clicking them and clicking on the shift button. And then press the delete key. So now I only have the first one, the first page. I'm going to go back to the master copy, and now I'm going to select all of these by using the shift button and click on all of these in the master copy. And I'm going to, okay, and now I'm going to do a Command C on my keyboard, and then I'm going to go to the student copy, and I'm going to do a Command V for a paste. Now this is the important part. I want to link to the original presentation. Okay, this is the most important piece. So when I click to link to the original presentation, okay, that's the piece there, so that now, let's say if I go back to my master copy, and let's say here on the prompt or title, will let me edit that? No, but I can type here. So let's say, please tell me about your day, or whatever it is that I want to have on that copy. Now I want that to be pushed out to the student copy. So on the student copy, notice here now there is an update button. And when I click on that, it's going to update to whatever it is that I changed. So that is how you can push out content onto a student copy of a notebook. So from here, I can link this in the in my Google Drive. So I could send it out as a link here by going, if I delete all of this, back to the edit right there, delete all that and change that to copy, and then I would copy and paste this whole link into my Google Classroom. So let's say this was the one that we were working on. Let's say I wanted this to be, well, let's say, no, I'm going to create a new assignment here. I'm going to add the link into the assignment so that when students click on that, it's going to make their own copy of the student copy that is linked to my master copy of the digital notebook. Now the trick to it that you need to know is you must already have all the slides in the master copy that you want in the student copy. So you won't be able to add additional slides because there's no way to then connect those. So you have to have a way where you would have all the slides already there in the master copy before you link them together through the copy and paste. So I hope this video has been helpful. Please feel free to email me at laura.christie@gpisd.org if you have any problems.